We are back again with another delivery video. So if you're brand new to the channel, we build a bunch of cars, mostly from auction, completely customize them, and then give them away to one of you at the very end. So in today's video, Elijah Stove, our 7th giveaway winner, is gonna be coming to pick up the Dodge Magnum that he recently won from us. So we'll go ahead and get straight into today's video, hop straight to him picking it up. But if you want to be up next, you could be the winner of our 8th giveaway, take home our custom C6 Corvette, and this thing ends this Saturday. So if you're seeing this video when it first drops, you only have 2 days left to go get entered. Giveaway ends June 6th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. So go give it a shot and you could be next. But let's go hop to it and let's meet Elijah. Hey you guys, he said he's about 5 minutes away. So I told him to text me when he's pulling up. I'm gonna run out, help him park his car, meet him for the first time, and then we'll have him come in and check it out. So the time is just about here. Ooh, here he is. Wow. What's up, man? Dude, this thing's killer. Elijah?
Yeah.
I'm Brandon, nice to meet you.
What's going on, man?
How's it going? So if you just want to park right here on the other side, so that way we can pull this thing out. But man, that is sweet. This thing is clean. Dude, how you feeling? You ready for today?
Yeah, man. Can't wait. What's up? I'm Jared. What's going on, Marquis?
How was the drive for you guys?
Nice to meet you.
Real quick, if you don't mind putting that on, it's magnetic. So that goes on the inside of your shirt, and then that just magnetizes to the outside.
Hopefully the drive was uneventful. So I was actually here last night. Okay. And you said that my front splitter came off my car.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. It flew off last night. And yeah. So I'm get another one and see what I can do. But
This thing's nasty. Is that the Vicrez widebody kit?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm having trouble with it, but
Really? All of those widebody kits are tough. The aftermarket ones. Looks so good though.
Are you guys ready for this though?
I know, it's gonna be a killer deal. Come on in, come check it out.
So welcome to the shop. You're the first ones coming to the shop.
I know, first winners.
We haven't had anybody else come by for pickup, so come on in.
Woo! This is it right here. I got the keys for you back on the table.
Great.
Let me open this up because it's so hot. Let me grab the keys. I apologize, we don't have AC in here, so it gets a little hot. Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congrats, dude.
Oh, yeah. It was, like I said, it was crazy. There was a whole bunch of stuff going on at that time. I was like, getting all these messages on Facebook and just saying, you want a car? I'm like, this has to be a scam or something. Like, ain't no way. Like, someone just hit me up saying, I want a car. Then I look at it, I see the email that y'all sent. I was like, oh.
Could be legit.
Yeah, I gotta call the number, but this is crazy, man. This is a blessing. I appreciate y'all, man. Like,
Yeah, we appreciate you, taking that risk, buying merch, watching the videos. It's only possible thanks to you guys. So huge congrats. I can't believe it. Like this thing, you're gonna drive off with it, keys, title. It is all yours. And I'll come pop the hood for you real quick. So yours is a 5.7, right?
yeah.
So I don't know, did you watch much of the YouTube series?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So you know everything that's going on, full forged internals.
Beautiful.
So crazy.
On the highway.
I know. Absolutely. Go ahead. It is loud. I don't know how loud yours is. I have the original mufflers that were on the car in the trunk, but it's pretty loud. You want me to rev it up for you? It's a monster.
That
like
sounds insane. That sounds insane. This is crazy. That's awesome.
I love it, man. I love it. I love it.
Isn't it wild? Like the before and after transformation of this car is probably the best one we've done yet. Like,
Man, it's a monster. It's a monster. Once I won,
what's that?
once I won, I watched every single video. I think every day, like
Really?
bro, every day.
Oh, that's
every day.
sweet.
It's crazy. You wouldn't imagine seeing this thing on a Dodge Magnum with the Chrysler front end.
No,
That's
never.
why it's such a cool build because it's so unique. You know,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
not something you'll really ever see again.
A one-on-one for sure, for sure. My goodness, bro. Yeah.
Dude, I'm happy you like it. I can't believe this is our last time seeing it. You have any other plans with this thing, or are you just gonna kind of leave it as is?
I'm gonna leave it as is. Honestly, like y'all did an amazing job, so I don't think I need to do anything. Y'all did everything.
I'm a little nervous, man. I don't know where to go.
Right now, I have, so that you can see the boost controller over there. I have it on valet mode, which is basically no boost. So I want to have you drive it on that first, because as soon as you put it under boost, like it'll peel and it gets a little scary. So I'll have you just drive it on that, kind of get the hang of it, and then we can turn the boost up. So this is no boost. So this is naturally aspirated right now. All right, so now on the boost controller, turn it 2 clicks up to the left. Yep, so now you should be on race mode. Yep. That's what I'm saying, like you can feel the throttle difference.
Goodness.
So when you're just trying to cruise, I would have it on valet mode, but yeah, I know, you did spit out. Well, if you want to hop in, we could go hit the street a little bit if you
We
want.
might need to resync the mics. Is the microphone, or is my mic synced, or do we need to?
I think it's still good.
It is.
So,
There's so much horsepower. It's just.
that whine.
I love the Hellcat whine. Are the clicks that yeah. And I've never drove a supercharged Hellcat or anything. Like I have a Hemi, and I thought the Hemi was like.
Oh, the 5.7s are,
Like,
yeah.
But this is insane. This is insane. I love it.
That's why I love that boost controller, because you know, on rainy days and stuff, driving it in no boost, it's so manageable as a daily driver. But having the option to turn it up when you want, when you have someone pulling up next to you,
I'm gonna spin out.
yeah.
Y'all are amazing.
Man, well, dude, we appreciate you guys. Well, dude, let's go. Let's go sign this paperwork over for you. Man, this is crazy. Last time with it.
I know, look at that.
How do y'all feel last time?
I'm sad. But I'll give it to you just in case.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were talking
You should
about
try it.
What made y'all like get into like
So it was when I got my first car, the paint was horrible, and I was shopping around to see how much a paint job would be, and it was like 10,000 bucks. And then wraps was kind of starting to become a thing, and that was still like $4,000 or $5,000. So I couldn't afford that, so I just looked up how to wrap your own car, bought the material, and figured it out. So that was kind of what got me into it, and now it, you know, it's fun. I would end up wrapping everything.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah, you're gonna see my splitter or front lip that's in here. It is destroyed. Destroyed.
Did you hit something, or did it just kind of
Oh,
fall off?
I honestly don't know what happened. Yeah, I'll just take it out. I gotta throw it away anyways, but yeah, this is what it,
Oh man.
and it was a dead frog or something in there too.
Really? What would you say to all those people? We got a lot of people who watch and nobody buy, and they don't buy. So we have a whole group that's probably like, I don't know. What would you say to that group of people?
I mean, honestly, you might as well try. You never know what's gonna happen at the end of the day. You might get a blessing, you know. At the end of the day, you're still alive. It's a blessing in that. But you never know what's gonna happen. Just put in as much as you want. I think I put in a couple of entries.
Yeah, dude. Enjoy it.
Yeah, take care. Oh, yeah. Keep us posted. Definitely stay in touch.
Wow. There it goes. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We had an absolute blast being able to meet Elijah, and it was so fun having our very first winner come pick the car up from our shop. So you can see we have the Magnum license plate over there on the wall. We are getting the picture printed out so we can get Elijah up here. So drop some W's down below for Elijah. Hope he has a ton of fun with that thing. And once again, you could be next and be our 8th winner taking this Corvette home. So go get your name in the drawing before it ends this Saturday, June 6th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Every $5 you spend on our website earns you 1 entry in to win this thing. So go try your luck, give it a shot. But thank you all again so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.